Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into this best language learner called Memrise. So let's quickly dive into the review. Memrise is a fun, flexible language learning app that makes traditional lesson with real-world content, which means you learn vocabulary, grammar, and phrases as they were actually used, often through videos and audio clip of native speakers. Its spaced repetition systems and gamified exercise make memorizing easy, and the mix of listening, reading, and interactive quiz also help the learning feel more complete than just flashcard. Talking about the pros also include the rich native speaker content, verified, exercise, and good tools to build long-time memory. On the downside, Memrise sometimes lacked depth in speaking practice, and full grammar explanation relied more on repetition than structured lesson. Some language feel more complete than others, so your exercise can vary depending on the kind of exercise you chose. Another thing is Memrise is one of the strongest choice for learning who want an engaging, real-world oriented approach, but you might need extra conversation practice to reach out to your level of fluency. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.